the silent battles that Manipur has been battling for the past 3 years. We are going through so much conflict, bloodshed every day in our lives. And I am from Namdilong, Kangno Tongbi. I am here today to question both the central government as well as the state government about their silence in this matter. This incident has taken 5 days back, and today is the 6th day of us pleading to the government for help as well as for our safety. But we have not received any response as well as positive response from their end. I would like to blame and also hold the government responsible for whatever is happening today, because if they had intervened earlier and if they had taken action on the day this incident occurred, which is on the 13th of May, then it wouldn't have been escalated to such an extent. So, and also I would like to mention the Central Forces station at Laimakong. They are just some few kilometers away from the Kuki village, where our Naga brothers were held hostage. And if the Central Forces wanted to help our people genuinely, they would have taken action immediately at that very day. And this incident that is happening right now could have been prevented. Yet, this is happening because of their negligence. And also, this is not just about the past 5 days. This is about the silent battles that Manipur has been battling for the past 3 years. We are going through so much conflict, bloodshed every day in our lives. And Manipur is already standing on the verge of destruction because of the negligence of the Indian government. And if we do not take immediate actions now, then the future of this state remains uncertain. So, on behalf of all my Naga people, we would like to question the government of India. How long will this go on, and how much bloodshed are we going to give? And then, how long will negligence continue? How long will this negligence continue? So, मैं हमारा देश का प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, आपको मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि हम मणिपुर भी इंडिया का हिस्सा है, और आप हमारा प्रधानमंत्री होके आपका हक बनता है कि आप हमें सावधान रखें. इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू कीप योर पीपल सेफ. तो मैं इस मामले में बोलना चाहती हूँ कि हम मणिपुर के लोग पिछले 3-4 साल से वी आर गोइंग थ्रू सो मच. हम दर्दनाक सिचुएशन से गुजार रहे हैं. बहुत जाने जा चुके हैं. पीपल हैव लॉस्ट योर लाइफ, और बहुत लोग बेघर हो चुके हैं. एंड ऑल्सो बहुत बच्चे लोग, दे आर वेटिंग फॉर देयर पेरेंट्स टू कम होम. वो लोग उम्मीद में बैठे कि someday their parents will return home. इसका आप क्या सवाल दोगे? This is just because आपका गवर्नमेंट नेग्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं, इसलिए ये सब हो रहे हैं. अगर आप लोग ने टाइम पे, समय पे एक्शन लिया होता तो ये नहीं होता. तो मैं प्रधानमंत्री को आपको एक मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि आप प्लीज़ विनती करती हूँ कि हमारा मणिपुर को आप इम्पोर्टेंस दे और देखें कि हम किस चीज़ से गुजार रहे हैं, और हम एक इंडिया का हिस्सा है, भारत का नागरिक है हम. तो आपका हक बनता है, इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, इट्स योर ड्यूटी टू लुक अपॉन योर पीपल, और हम लोग को यूनाइट करके रखे. मणिपुर बिखर रहे हैं, तो प्लीज़ लुक इनटू दिस मैटर एंड हेल्प अस यूनाइट. जैसा पहले था ऐसा प्लीज़ फिर से वापस लाजिए. थैंक यू.